BIM is a collaborative work methodology applied to the construction sector, a collection of data from a building organized to facilitate the management of engineering, architecture, and construction projects, achieving improvements in the result and efficiency in the process. BIM allows the use of a virtual data model managed by a team of designers made up of architects, engineers, landscapers, quantity surveyors, and designers. What is the history of BIM? The technology was pioneered by professor and researcher Chuck Eisman, who began developing a 3D solid and parametric modeling and research system for the construction industry starting in the mid um, 1970s. What are the differences between CID and BIM technology? While CID applications mimic the traditional pen and paper process created in the two dimensions from simple elements such as lines, frames, and text. BIM applications mimic the actual construction process. The BIM methodology goes beyond 3D. It is a multidimensional method that includes the entire life cycle of a building. What are the benefits and challenges in using BIM software? Detailed vision of the construction project design. Re- Reduce conflicts in construction projects. BIM improves productivity. BIM reduce conflicts. What is the most common BIM software available today? Revit. It is the successor to AutoCAD in BIM, and they can currently say that is the most widely used in the sector. Since it allows full connectivity with all Autodesk products. Autodesk Revit is BIM modeling intelligent design software for architecture and engineering, which facilitates projects, designs, tasks, and work process. The most characteristic thing about this software is that everything that is modeled is through intelligent objects, parametric families, and obtained in 3D on the fly as we develop the projects from the ground floor to the upper floors. The term parametric modeling refers to the relationships between all the elements of a project that enable coordination and change management provided by Revit. How does Revit handle elements and elements behavior? Revit uses three types of element in projects: model elements, reference elements, and view specific elements. Revit elements are also called families. The family contains the geometric definitions of the elements and the parameters used by the elements. Each instance of an element is defined and controlled by the family. Model elements, which represent the actual 3D geometry of a building, They appear in relevant views of the model. Reference elements which help define the context of the project. Grids, levels, and reference levels are examples of reference elements. View specific elements which appear only in the views they are in. They are useful for describing or documenting a model dimensions are view specific elements. The Revit interface is organized by elements such as user interface, components, Revit home, ribbon, file tab, quick access toolbar, tool information, project browser, drawing area, a selection of elements, status bar, option bar, type selector, properties palette, view control bar, shape controls and grips. Look for dockable windows, information center, background process.